How to delete photos from Android but keep on Google Photos. If any day you are an Android user and you have photos on your very gallery and you'd like to delete it someday, but you would also like to keep it on Google Photos, but you do not know how to do that, just follow the following steps. For this, first of all, you have to open your gallery on your mobile device. After you open your gallery on your mobile device, you can see an interface like this. Now, after you open your gallery on your mobile device, in order to just save your video, what you can do is, or just your photo as well, you can tap on your photo like this and then go to the very three dots on the top, or go to the option of the more on the downside, and after that you can also go to the option of the backup. If you do not see the option of backup here, then you can directly go to the option of search on your mobile device and search Google Photos there. Now after you search Google Photos there, you can see an interface like this, which is the interface of the Google Photos. For this, you also have to make sure that you have to update your very Google Photos application and update it, and you also have to make sure that your very Gmail account has space. So if you update the very Google Photos there, and you also just make sure that your very Google Gmail has the various kind of spaces out there, now what will happen is whenever you try to click any of the photos, it will automatically be saved in the Google Photos and it will be backed up itself if you have set the settings of backing up, and then you have to delete all of the photos from the gallery itself, and this way your problem will be solved. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really like it, do not forget to subscribe our channel.